Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a Coachman Acadia 545 2021 model. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So a rebrand for Coachman for 2021 in that new badge that you see in the centre of the caravan. You've got two side locker boxes, one on the right hand side here for two gas bottles, 6 kg gas bottles, more than sufficient in there. On the left hand side for your step, steady winder for your legs, wheel brace, electric hookup cable and various other light items, just being cautious and conscious of your nose weight. A good look at the overall high quality of finish that you get with a Coachman caravan. And for 2021, the ATC trailer control system coming as standard on the Acadia range. Also benefiting from the introduction of the Alco AAA braking system, the only manufacturer in the UK to now have this, creating a far better and shorter stopping distance. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point and exterior 240 volt socket. You've got a side access hatch to underneath the front couch area there, and then a good look at this wonderful Acadia logo going down the side of the caravan. We've got the flip back door with the door bin and door window with blind. So stepping inside, another introduction for 2021 is the new Dometic 10 series fridge that you see under there in a high quality of finish. You've got this beautiful speckled white worktop surface with worktop extension. 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. You have an easy usable height microwave and a medium-sized Hecky light in the kitchen area. High quality of finish on the sink with the glass top lid and wonderful curved tap. You've got the beautiful chrome trim on the lockers above the fridge going into a two-tone towards the front. The radio not currently in situ as we fit those as and when we prepare any caravan for dispatch. You've got the nice large panoramic sunroof at the front, again creating a fantastic feeling of space and light, and backed up with a nice large Hecky light in the lounge as well. PIR sensor for the alarm located down the bottom right hand side here, and switch points with 240 volt socket there. The chest is pushed back due to those two side locker boxes, creating a far better usability in this lounge area and a better feeling of space. You've got the Acadia fabric scheme, which has carried through from 2020 through to 2021, as they made a fantastic selection in this high quality of finish for the fabric scheme. You've got the Aldi wet central heating and the main command centre located above the habitation door. Your first television point in this caravan located on this side binnacle here for viewing from the front of the caravan with storage underneath. And this is where your freestanding table is located for the caravan with nice large generous shelves in there. Another further storage cupboard above. So as we're about to step through to the central bathroom area, you've got a high quality of finish on that central bathroom door with that wonderful chrome trim. Quality of finish on the kitchen sink, bathroom sink, apologies, that you see there with storage underneath and also nice large vanity mirror. You've got the Thetford toilet with storage above and also a further vanity mirror in the bathroom area. A very generous sized curved shower cubicle, with the Aldi wet central heated towel rail, some robe hooks and towel hooks there, as we swing round to this rear island bed configuration. So that wonderful two-tone again going throughout, cupboards on either side, and then also a look at those pleated blinds, creating some privacy in that bedroom area. Your second television point located here, so should that be a need and a consideration for television in the bedroom area. And you can see from here, easy access to either side of the bed and a high quality of finish that you get with a Coachman caravan. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what the Coachman Acadia 545 2021 model has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, we'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.